Some of you might have even taken loan. You don't even know you're owing one or two organizations. You think the money is gone. Go and conduct this search. You have one free for the month. And by the time you conduct this search, you'll be shocked to see that your names are on the credit bureaus. Ever think you've collected money from one organization and you are jumping to another and you will not pay? My brother, my sister, you will pay. They already see you as a only basic. I beg for my language. Hello, everyone. Your favorite loan doctor is here again to take us on a ride on credit score. Now, a lot of people don't understand what you stand to benefit from credit score. Let me just explain credit score briefly. Now, credit score, these are ranges of numbers between 300 and 850 that rates you on how credit worthy you are, how qualified you are to get a facility or a loan from any organization or a credit facility. It might not just be loans. Credit score is used for various things. Okay, employment, they can check your credit score to see how credible you are before they give you employment. Even a court can order to check your credit worthiness when a debt agency is trying to recover from you. Insurance company, they use credit score to see how credit worthy you are before they go into granting you insurance. Even anti-graft agencies like EFCC, CBN, the Central Bank of Nigeria also conduct credit search on individuals. So credit score is something that you should take very seriously. And for what is what, whatever you do, your credit score should not be below 620. It rates between 300 to 850. Now, from 620 to 850, that's fair, good, and excellent credit score. Within that range is rated there. But from 619 downwards to 300, that's bad credit score. Now, one of the advantages of this credit score is when you have a good credit score, it gives organizations a reason to want to even pre-approve your loan. When they check your credit score and you have good credit ratings, what that means is that you are a good customer. You pay your debt on time. You make sure you don't owe. That's what that credit score means. That means you're credible. When you say you do something financially when it comes to credit, you do it. You're in the clear. Now, just a sneak peek. Every credit organizations are mandated to use one or two credit bureaus. There are three major credit bureaus in Nigeria right now, and you're mandated to use one or two of them according to CBN. Now, don't ever think you took loan from Mr. A and you have gone. No, because every financial institution are mandated to use a credit bureau. They report every credit facility, every loan that is being given is being reported to one or two or the whole three of these credit bureaus. Now, when you go to another organization to take a loan, they will check on this credit bureau to see if you're owing any other organization. And if you're owing, they are not supposed to grant you that facility until you have paid off that one you're owing. Now, that's one of the major use of the credit bureau. So they ever think you've collected money from one organization and you are jumping to another and you will not pay. My brother, my sister, you will pay. You will pay. Either they compel you to pay or you pay by your choice. Whichever one you choose. But that money is not gone. It's not gone. But there are ways you can make the money go anyway. You can watch my previous video on default and you pick one or two lessons from there. Okay, now, back to credit score. Now, there are things you can do that can make your credit score very, very low.